8 wastes?
Let's see, excessive time, excessive inventory, wasted motion, excessive inventory. Did I say that? Let's see. Waiting time, underutilized talent, and overproduction and overprocessing.
Very good. All right, good job. All right, defects is the last one. I know you would do that.
Yeah. I wasn't finished.
That's all right. I know. Again, a little early. That was. Right.
Okay. You guys know about these toys that we're making here. Green toys. Come on up here, please. You know, we make little helicopters. We make the tugboats, and early on in this customer, as the customer started ordering these parts, we had difficulty in many things. Number one was giving them a reliable date. In other words, they put a PO in and they say, look, we want it this date. And there was some frustration on Lewis's part and the time it takes to develop that. And not only that, but the accuracy. So we developed a Kaizen event between sales and value added. And the problem, as I said, was excessive time determining if we can meet the green toy shipment date. So there was a lack of confidence from our customer, Green Toys. The date is accurate. What we're giving them is accurate and honest to the best of our ability. So you'll see the word honest, that's part of our core values. So we would miss the shipment date due to lack of knowledge and understanding what it takes to get a firm date to Green Toys. Okay, so the solution. We wanted to reduce excessive time, which is one of the 8 wastes. It takes to get the customer a date we can be confident meets their requirements. And so how did we do this? Well, we leverage our ERP system, which is IQMS, and our available software tools, which is, in this case, I would have liked to use Microsoft Access, but everybody knows Excel here, so I used Excel. That's fine. And knowledge from both sales department, me, and value added. Okay, so the application, IQMS, Microsoft Excel. We use macros in Microsoft Excel, which is little pieces of code called Visual Basic. The goal was to make it very easy for Lewis, when we get a PO, to enter data and within a second tell him what the due date is. He enters the date he can start, the date in which he will finish. That was the goal. And from that, we developed other things, other applications, other tools in that software program related to shipping, customer service, etc. If the date is good from what he puts in, the outgoing date is good, we're okay. If it looks like the date is going to be beyond what the customer wants, that's no good, so we have to make adjustments. Okay. What it does, just for Lewis, gives him a reliable completion date. Gives him up-to-date program status of where these things are in the system, how many we've completed, how many are we yet to complete, how many have we shipped, and how many are ready to be shipped. And that's just his module. So the program works, and if you're familiar with programming, there's always a front end to a programming and the back end to a program. The front end of the program is Lewis. Make it simple. So Lewis sees on his screen, on his computer, all of this. The only thing he has to put in is what's in green. The PO number, how many they want for each type, they want like 1,000 of these helicopters or 10,000 of the tugboats. He puts that in. And then he says, how many shifts am I going to run? Am I going to run Saturday? Am I going to run Sunday? Yes, no. And then he puts in the date. When do I think I'm going to start? Puts in the date, bang. Within 1 second, it gives him the answer. That's the front end. Now, what's the back end? The back end is what Lewis and I do to make it work. I know it's an eye chart, but here are all the tables and the Visual Basic code, just a piece of it for his portion. That's what makes it work. That's what nobody sees, but that is the brains and the heart behind this. That is it.
Yep.
All right?
All right. Very, very nice job. Thank you. Nice job. Appreciate it.